Hello everyone, welcome to Perlearn. If you enjoy this video, please support me by subscribing. We are going to use Tweak Effect to create this flower. Let's dive into the tutorial. To create this flower first, I select the Star tool and then click on the Artboard in the menu that appears. I enter the desired radius and the number of points, which creates a star shape. Next, I apply a gradient to the created shape. Then, by holding down the Alt key, I make a copy of the shape and resize it by holding down the Shift key. I place it in the center of the larger star. From the Object menu, I choose Blend and then Blend Options to enter the settings. After that, I select Blend and then Make. Next, from the Effect menu, I choose Distort and Transform and then select Tweak. Our beautiful flower is ready. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to support this video.